Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Doogee Blade 10 Pro, a rugged phone that's making waves with its impressive features. First off, the Blade 10 Pro is the thinnest rugged phone on the market, measuring just 10.7 inches. Despite its slim profile, it packs a massive 5150 mAh battery, ensuring you have plenty of power to get through your day. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful Octa-Core processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, giving you the performance and space you need for all your apps and media. The phone also boasts a 50 megapixels main camera, utilizing advanced AI and the Morpho Algorithm for stunning photos. The 6.5-inch HD plus 90 Hz IPS display delivers smooth visuals, perfect for enjoying content from Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and other platforms with its Widevine L1 support. Running on the latest Android 14 OS, the Blade 10 Pro offers a modern and intuitive user experience. It's also packed with features like IP68, IP69K, making it resistant to water, dust, and drops. Other highlights include an accurate navigation system with support for multiple GPS systems, effortless NFC connectivity, and smart gesture controls. Plus, you get the convenience of face unlock, an ultra-clear front camera, and a personalized custom button for quick access to your favorite functions. And there you have it, the Doogee Blade 10 Pro, a rugged phone that doesn't compromise on style or performance. With its ultra-thin design, powerful features, and cutting-edge technology, it's a device that's built to meet the demands of both work and play. Right now, you can get the phone on Amazon for $279. Apply the code, you'll get $80 off, plus there's a coupon code for massive drop. Check out links in description. Don't miss this deal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.